Hi everyone, this is Karen Abelian. Welcome back again sa ating YouTube channel. So for today's video, isasama ko kayo kasi magbabanding kami ng aking mga kaibigan doon sa Samgyeopsal. So we're going to eat an unlimited Samgyeopsal here in Talisay City, and I'm so excited kasi this is my first time eating unlimited Samgyeopsal with them. So yung kasama ko pala si Ate Lucia, Ate Panisan, and me. Yeah, kami lang tatlo. So this is also a celebration kasi and na-enjoyed kami very. Thank you so much. So, and then also a celebration before kami mag-start talaga ng aming student teacher in our science school. So, magkaiba kasi kami ng science school. Si Ate Lucia is doon siya sa Tangki National High School, and Ate Panisan and I ay dito sa Talisay City Science High School. So, yeah, magkalayo kami but still food can bring us together. So, yan. We are so happy at this moment, and nag-check lang din kami kung ano yung mangyayari pag nandun na talaga kami sa field. So, ay, ako lang naman yung nag-overthink kasi yung dalawa is meron na silang experience kasi nga they have their tarabasa during our third year. So basically, they already have an experience during the field in teaching. So ako lang talaga yung wala pa talaga experience. So yeah, this is gonna be so excited. So yeah, we're just catching up and ng talking about life. So yan lang yung aming pinag-usapan during our unlimited samgyeopsal eating. So, yan lang muna guys sa ngayon, and thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye!